Currently in our area, 91 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, thunderstorms early, low 71. Winds light and variable. Friday, intervals of clouds and sunshine. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 94. Winds light and variable. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 72. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, America's coastline.
Currently in our area, 91 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, thunderstorms early. Oh, 71. Winds light and variable. Friday, intervals of clouds, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. High 94. Winds light and variable. Friday night, partly cloudy skies. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 72. Here's our 7-day outlook. Currently in our area, 89 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, showers and a thunderstorm early, low 70. Winds light and variable. Chance of rain, 90%. Friday, partly cloudy skies. Slight chance of a rain shower. High, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. Friday night, a few clouds. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 72. Winds light and variable. Here's our 7-day outlook. The Weather Channel TV.